Gaither has become our prime source for wheel and tire service equipment. Winntec jacks are known for their value and professional-grade stamina. These 3-ton metric or 3.3-ton US rated jacks are a great companion for the Fast-Lock jack block system. The Fast-Lock jack block system is the ultimate solution for transforming a conventional floor jack quickly into a secure jack stand. It extends 217 millimeters, that's 8.54 inches, to 342 millimeters, or 13.88 inches. It's equipped with a spring release for easy positioning. It's a must-have for quickly and safely supporting all kinds of vehicles, especially those that don't show multiple lift support points. These locks make sense for shops, for mobile operators, and for DIY smaller garages that have limited floor space. We can safely roll around on a creeper between the floor jacks without the need for jack stands that take up more space. With the lock pin safely in place, these locks are rated 3.5 tons apiece. They will work with most floor jacks with similar design. Following instructions, the lever release and the lock pin make this a secure arrangement for converting a floor jack into a jack stand. We use this arrangement with the vehicle on level ground. Wheels at the opposite end of where the floor jacks are should always be chocked. When we use floor jacks and the locks for front wheel alignment, we always use either jack stands or chocks at the rear wheels. This system is ideal for the small area shop. Join us when we do a wheel alignment using the Winntec jacks and Fast-Lock jack blocks next.